So in VS Code, if you select extensions, which is this little icon here, and you type in Python, you can add the Python extension, which will let you code in Python. So if you select this, you'll notice that the first step was to install a supported version of Python on your system, which we already did. Then the next step is to install the Python extension for VS Code. So I'm going to hit install. And then once I get this installed, I am going to quick set up my environment so that it knows the version that I'm using. And I'm basically just going to kind of walk through this and do what they recommend. So they are recommending a Jupyter extension, which I will also install. Okay, so it looks like that is installed at this point. And as I'm kind of looking through here, the Jupyter extension they are recommending. So it's spelled kind of weird. So let me come back over in here. Okay, there it is. Oh, and it looks like I already have it. All right, so let's go into new. I'm going to save it as a Python file. Let me throw it in the right folder here. Or let me make one for this class. Okay, so you might have seen it's quick loading. It loaded Jupyter, it's loading Python, and it is using Python 3.9, which is the current version that I just installed. So like I said, you can either use VS Code or Sublime. Here it is telling me that I should install PyLint. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. So again, what I installed was Python. Jupyter was automatically installed, and then I installed PyLint.